Welcome to our tutorial on file-based routing with NextJS. We start with a simple index.js file located in the pages directory of a NextJS project. This file is special because NextJS uses it as the entry point for the root URL of the application. This means when you visit the base URL of your site, this homepage component will be rendered. Here we import the link component from Next, link, which is used for navigating between pages without having to do a full page refresh. This is an essential part of building single-page applications. We then define a functional component called homepage which simply renders a heading and a link to another page. This link component points to the About root, meaning clicking on it will take the user to the About Us page. Next, let's look at the About.js file, which is also placed in the Pages directory. NextJS uses the file system as the primary means for creating routes. By simply creating this About.js file, NextJS will automatically serve this page at the About URL path. Inside this file, we have another functional component called About Page. It contains a static heading and a paragraph explaining the purpose of the page. When the user clicks on the link from the homepage we previously saw, the About Page component is what they'll be presented with. The simplicity of this routing mechanism makes NextJS a lovely framework for rapidly developing applications with a clear folder and file routing structure.